Hey there guys, today we finished building Chamber, the second part of our two-part privacy solution. Chamber is the anonymity layer, so it anonymizes the participants. So for outside observer, there's no meaningful relationship between any of the participants. So let's see how it works. So you can send any token privately to a wallet address. So we're gonna pick USDC for now. Choose that account, and you can generate a secure claiming key by clicking this button here, but for the ease I'm just gonna pick an easy one. And then you connect your wallet, and my wallet's connected, and you send the deposit. So my deposit is sent. Now let's see what the claiming process looks like. Now first thing that you need to do is to find your transaction. So the sender will send you your claiming key. So you type in your wallet address and your claiming key, and you try to find your deposit. When a deposit is found, it's going to show you what were the assets in the transaction, and then you can go ahead and claim the deposit. This is a multi-step process. It's going to generate your Merkle proof, then it's going to create a ZK proof of your Merkle membership proof, and then it's going to generate the call data, and eventually you're going to be able to call it via the contract, via your wallet. You're going to be able to call the contract. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And now you should have your funds. All right, so now let's look into what the transactions look like to an external observer on chain. So we see that 1 USDC was deposited from this contract address to Chamber. And let's see what the call contained. So we have two parameters. The first one is the hash, which we also refer to as transaction secret. And this transaction secret essentially contains your claiming key and your recipient. And then you pass in the amount that you want to send and the token address that you want to. Then that's it for the sender. On the recipient's end, we don't really send anything but just a big ZK proof. Like this ZK proof essentially says that yes, I know a transaction which you have received previously, and that transaction is for this contract address, and it contains this amount of this token, and please credit it to the account which is specified in the transaction, and the amount for the token that you have deposited in your contract. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And external observer will not know that this amount was actually sent by which user.